Hi mga Beks! It's me, Fedellaga, and welcome back to my channel. Hi mga Beks! Welcome back sa ating channel! And for today's video mga Beks, this is a very intriguing video. Wow! Intriguing! Ano yun? Yes mga Beks, in today's video, we are going to do like a very different sa channel na ginagawa ko. I usually do review. I think dalawa lang yung nagagawa ko pang creative looks. However, at this time, I really want to nail my creative looks. I don't know if this is what you guys like. I don't know if nagustuhan nyo to, if this is very creative sa inyo. And kung di naman pasado sa inyo, sorry. And of course, mga Beks, syempre, I did try my best for this video for today. Dahil nga, nakuha ko na yung bago kong Makeup Forever na 12 flash color case. And we're going to see too kung paano ang performance. And we're gonna test this. This is not gonna be a review. This is more of a tutorial for this look. Ang dami kong sinasabi kasi wala akong masabi kasi I'm so proud of this! Kaya naman if you guys want to see how I did this look, tama na mga chika-chika. Let's go ahead at mag-pege na tayo. Okay mga Beks, so nagkilay na nga ako. As you guys can see, nagkilay na tayo. And that's what we normally do sa aking video. I do my eyebrows first. Kasi nga nagsisimula tayo lagi sa mata. For today's eye primer, I will be using Anastasia's eye primer. Yung sira, oo, nairita ako. Naglalabasan siya dito. Kaya uubusin na natin to. Makikita niyo to madalas sa aking channel. For my eyeshadow palette, I will be using Elisa Edwards' collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so for the first shade, I will be using this BBDC. And then I'm gonna pack this on my crease. Tapos blend lang ng very light sa edges. Tapos blend na lang ulit ako ng pang-blend ng crease na brush. Kasi I really want like the edges to be like seamlessly blended. Okay, and then now we're gonna do a cut crease. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some on my outer V. And then, i-dipin up ko lang tong outer V ko since alam ko na kung saan ko ilalagay ang aking crease. Then I am now gonna go with the brick road. And then we're gonna pack this on our V. So very light dito sa inner V. Inner V ba yun? Inner V, parang inner V. May inner V ako ngayon eh. And then I'm gonna get a point brush. Point brush pa ang tawag nito. This is Morphe M431. And then I'm gonna go with the Texas Made. Then let's get a clean brush and then let's kind of like blend the middle. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the Dream It. Then I'm gonna put this in my outer V. Then I am now gonna get a brush for that same shade. And we're gonna just blend it. And then for my brow bone, I'm gonna go with this headliner. So para maging mukhang super blended siya, just gonna put that on top of the blue and then the purple that you put. You see? Hindi iba yung eksena niya. And then I'm gonna go with this headliner again, and then we're gonna put this on our inner corner. Okay, so now we're gonna go with this Believe. We're gonna put this in our lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go with this Texas Made. This is what I really like kapag nagpapa-blown out ng lower lash.
Kumuha kayo ng mga light na kasunod ng color na nilagay nyo sa crease nyo. And that would give it blown out of it. Okay, then I'm gonna go with this Dream It. Okay, so now I'm gonna use Jeffree Star's highlighter sa shade na Frozen Peach. And then I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. Okay, so napilik mata na tayo, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. Then we're gonna use some KKW Beauty na mascara. Okay, then I'm gonna pop some lashes. For my lashes, I'm gonna use this Lash Me Up in style Money Maker. I love these lashes, by the way. Okay, so lashes is done. Now, andito na tayo sa pa-creative, okay? Okay, so kahit creative look tayo, kailangan nagpe-prep pa rin tayo ng skin ng maganda para maganda ang application ng makeup. So, for my primer, I will be using this Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter. I put some over here. Ayan. Then I'm gonna use this Dragon Beauty's Perfecting Skin Potion. Then we're gonna put a little bit of foundation muna para lang ma-cover natin tong chismis na orange na to. Okay? So for my foundation, I will be using Makeup Forever's HD Ultra Stick Foundation sa shade na Y405. Okay, so now para magkaroon ng good canvas ang ating pest, I will use this Makeup Forever HD Stick again, but this time this is in the shade 100. This is a very color white-ish. Thriller night. Thriller. For my setting powder, I will use this Chanel's Natural Finish Loose Powder. This is gonna be my inspiration for today. Yup, yan ang ating pa-inspiration for today. So try natin yung inspiration for today. So for my palette, I will use this Morphe 25L palette na maraming dumi. Oo. I'm gonna start with this light. Kuha kayo ng kahit anong klaseng red shade and then just put it on your pigment. Just put it on your forehead. Then I'm gonna get a yellow shadow. For my shadow, I will use this Sunlight. Then with a clean brush na medyo malaki-laki, gonna blend the middle part. And then I'm gonna get a orange na shade and I'm gonna use this Pride. Now this one we're gonna just put it here sa side niya. Babalikan ko lang yung yellow kasi parang hindi siya vibrant. Tingnan. From here, tsaka all the way here, maglalagay tayo ng color blue. So with my color blue, I will use this piece. Then blend it with a big brush. Kasi yung iba, oh, patchy-patchy. So, then we're gonna go down papunta sa aking leeg. Okay, so this part, mga Beks, I want this to be really dark. So I'm gonna go with a darker blue. I'm gonna go with this Rise Up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a line, kind of like this. And then we're gonna go with this Parade. Okay, so now mag-drawing ako ng ganitong puno-puno, okay, sa aking vest. With that, I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever's 12 Flash Color Case. And then I'm gonna go with this M602 na maroon brown. Okay, so carry na yan. Now, dalagyan naman ako ng bato-bato dito kasi may bato-bato ako nakikita sa kanya. So, I'm gonna use the black one pala. Sorry, I forgot. We're gonna color lahat ng nilayout natin. Carry lang yan. Ito talagang tinanggal ko kasi nagkamali ako. Okay, so now, maglaline tayo. Pero pag ganito yung brush, pag ganyan yung angle niya. And then we're gonna line it down. So now I went with this color white and then gumawa lang ako ng mga color effect dyan. Okay, so now gagawa tayo ng konting wave-ish. Okay, so para may water effect in eme, we're gonna go with this turquoise. I'm gonna go with this color. Okay, so para naman dito yung tuloy-tuloy na tubig, we're gonna go with the eyeshadow again, and I'm gonna go with this color. Then we're gonna go back with the white color. Okay, so now, this one naman, nilalagyan ko na lang ng turquoise na color din para lang magpantay siya. Then maglalagay na rin ako dito. Then blend it a little bit. Nalagyan natin tong lahat ng tubig.
You're too slow.
Then we're gonna use a beauty blender. Kasi cream siya, diba? So, maganda pag kinalat mo siya na using a beauty blender. What to do is we're gonna get a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna do a wave again. I'm gonna use this color white. We're gonna do a wave pababa. Now on this side, gagawa tayo ng parang mist niya. Then babalikan ko itong turquoise. Kuha ako niyan. So dinot ko na siya. Now i-blend lang natin siya with the white para hindi na ma-overpower yung tubig. Now kukuha ako nitong green. Parang ganyan ko siya kukunin. Then ilalagay ko siya sa arms ko. Then, kukuha ako ng konti niyan sa arms ko, diba? Then, tsaka natin yan ilalagay sa mga gilid-gilid. To make it more realistic, huwag natin masyadong kulayan lahat. Parang pachi-pachi, carry lang yan. So, kumuha ako ng green and yellow. Pag-mix natin yung dalawang yan. And, gagawa tayo ng parang maliliit na grass. Now, maglalagay ako nitong brown sa mga side ng leaves. Ng grass. Okay, so now, sa dahon-dahon na tayo. So, magmi-mix kayo ng yellow and green like what I did. So, yellow and green. And we are going to put this in the branches. I'm literally using one brush at kay Uncluts pa to, day. Okay, so naglagay na rin ako ng pangalan. Pa-painting na nga ako eh. Benta nyo ako mamaya. So now I'm gonna go with the color white. Alright. Ito yung parang clouds. Gagawa ko ng clouds dito. So, paggawa ng clouds, para lang tayo nag-stamp din. So, I'm gonna put like that. And then now you're gonna go here. And now you're gonna go here. And you're gonna go here. And you're gonna go there. Pa-painting na tayo. Tangina, painter na si John Fedellaga. Wala ng bird dito. Ay! Hindi ako makagalaw na maayos.
You're too slow.
Pak Simba! Gusto niyo yan? Then, mga Beks, I will be right back for the final look. Kailangan ko maglinis muna bago ako mag-final look, okay? So, I will be right back. There you go, mga Beks. I hope you guys like this look na nagawa ko for today's video. And I just kind of like inspired dun sa picture na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. And of course, si Simba kasi dumating na ulit. Kaya ayan, napa-inspired ako sa very natural, foresty. And hindi ko alam kung magigets nyo ang painting na to. Basically, ano siya, waterfall. Pero hindi ko alam kung nagampanan ko yung waterfalls ineme ko. And yup, there you go, mga Beks. Maraming salamat. Pasado na ba to sa inyo, mga Beks? Pasado na ba tong creative look? Lahat na lang naka-creative sa feeds ko. Kaya mag-creative din tayo. And syempre, mga Beks, bago ang lahat, makakalimutan ba natin ang comment of the day? Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Hey! Hey! Comment of the day! At eto na sila. Once again, thank you so much, mga Beks. Oh my gosh, road to 2K na tayo! Gusto niyo ba yun? Road to 2K! Maraming salamat. Next time, road to 1M tayo, okay, Kelly? And of course, mga Beks, don't forget to share this video sa mga friends nyo na gustong creative look. I was actually thinking na baka hindi ko makuha yung gusto ko, but this one really gives my work easy. Ayan. Anyways, mga Beks, pag sinare nyo to sa mga friends nyo, sabihin nyo sa kanila, i-share na rin nila to sa friends nila. Para, member na sila ng pamilya ng kabaklaan. And there you go, mga Beks, tatapusin na natin ang video na to. But, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Para naman sa mga Beks natin dyan na laging gustong updated, hit the notification bell button right there. Para sa tuwing upload ko, you guys are always updated. And once again, thank you so much and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye! Sa wakas!